Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, January 12th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had a really lousy day today. You know, the Dow was down, closed down 96 points. That really wasn't the reason for our bad day. You know, we trade a very large, diversified portfolio, and the purpose of that is to catch these occasional outlier trades, which provide a great percentage of our overall profits. The problem with that is that, yeah, you're going to catch those good positive outlier trades sometimes, but you also occasionally are going to catch a negative outlier, and that's what happened to us today. It wasn't the Dow being down 96 points that hurt us. We got into one really bad trade that really knocked the wind out of us. It was in Baida. Baida is a Chinese company that provides internet services and marketing services to the Chinese automobile agency or industry. And the problem that we had today is we were long Baida, and a report came out of China indicating a slowdown in automobile production in China. And so Baida bit the dust while we were holding it long. We got socked for just over $9,000 in a loss in that market alone, and that's what killed us today. We closed out negative $11,000, but almost all of that was in that one stock. So, you know, that happens. You just got to learn to play the game. I remind myself that just a few days ago we had two back-to-back days and made a total of over $31,000 in those days. And so, you know, losing $11,000 today doesn't knock us out of the game, but it does hurt. No question about it. Wasn't a good day. We are holding just a tiny negative $305 on our open trade that we're carrying into tomorrow. And as I say, the Dow finished up down 96. I'm glad to see the Dow down. I would have liked to have seen it really crash today more, because I mean it really wouldn't have gotten any worse for us if it had. But still, we'll take being down 96 points, and we'll just have to see what happens. I'll show you a couple of the trades here. Well, I will show you the horrible first. This is Baida. This is what really killed us. And you can see on Friday we bought the gap up, and it did close against us. That didn't look like a very good trade on the close, but at the same time it wasn't terrible. But look here what happened. Just bam down there, and that's, as I say, we're negative $9,000 there where we got out. If we'd hung on to it, you know, we would have been probably down $16,000 on it. But that's what stops are for, to get us out of trouble. So we were killed, but we weren't destroyed. Let's put it that way. I'll show you the one decent trade we had, and we've been talking about this quite a bit lately because it's been a really good market. This is SBGL, which the right pronunciation escapes me right now, but anyway, this is a gold stock, and we had bought this on Friday, and we got out of it today on our modified parameters, and we took about $3,000 out of that, and then the thing kept going up. We bought it again, and I think we are just slightly positive in that now, but doing very well. So not everything was terrible, but obviously this nice little trade we had couldn't possibly offset that disaster in Baida today. But we'll do okay. I'm not in any way discouraged. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.